So we like to welcome all of you to the new construction site of Sri Mayapur Chandra Temple. This is the biggest temple in the world. Regarding this temple, all of you know Bhaktivinoda Thakur wrote in Navadvipa Dhama Mahatmya, Adbhuta Mandira Eka Haive Prakash, Gaurangera Nitya Seva, Haive Vikas. Now we understand very nicely. The eternal service of Lord Gauranga is spread out all over, from here to all over the world. That is the prediction of Lord Nityananda. When Lord Nityananda took Jiva Goswami the first Navadvipa Mandal Parikrama. Jiva Goswami, he first had darshan in Malda, now called what is this? Ramkeli. But that time Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, they left by the influence of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But he was young, small boy, he could not run. But when it got like more mature, then he ran to Navadvip, see here, looking for Lord Chaitanya. Nobody could say Lord Chaitanya Sanya Jagannath Puri. So Nityananda Prabhu took him to go on all the 9 islands. And he said all the glories of the 9 islands. Then something he said what going to happen in the future. That he said. A wonderful temple will manifest. And since the Prabhupada gone through this statement, he was very much eager. I heard Prabhupada was in Calcutta, late 71. So he sent 2 of his disciples, Balimardhan Prabhu and Tamal Krishna Maharaj. These 2 Western young boys came here and they purchased 3 acres of land and took the paper and said, Prabhupada, here is a land in Mayapur. Prabhupada on the spot he starts sending the telegram all over the world. Oh my dear disciple, please come to Mayapur. We're going to have the first Gaur Purnima festival. And that was 72 with Bhajan Kutir. Can you imagine Prabhupada was living in the Bhajan Kutir as a hand pump. And Prabhupada was sitting taking bath. Satadhanya Prabhu used to tell all the story to me, as you ask. One day, this building was going on. Satadhanya Prabhu, Jayapati Rasani, all, they was working. Somebody said, Prabhupada, looks like a train. What? It's a double-deck train. Prabhupada said, double-deck train. Prabhupada looked back. What? It's a double-deck train. So like that. So last 72, Prabhupada had the Bhumi Puja groundbreaking ceremony, installing Ananta Sesai, show the picture in the same place. And he start, then next year they start same year they started the Lotus building. After 2 years they come to the making. I sometimes think, what the vision of Prabhupada. That time maybe 40 devotees in the Mayapur, but he made the resident for the 400 devotees. And when we have 400 devotees, we make for 40 devotees. Present situation. This is the difference between Prabhupada and others. So finally, with so many problems, they had marked, I witness, they had planned to make the temple behind somewhere, they done Bhumi Puja again, this, that. Finally, what happened, they could not make temple anywhere. All lands was not in name of ISKCON. When they got to have a permission for the building temple of ISKCON, they said this is the only land registered on ISKCON. Otherwise, in a different trust, 71 trust in Mayapur was, but now this otherwise. So finally, 2009 we have started the construction, and 2022 supposed to be grand opening because there is Mayapur completed 50 years due to pandemic delay. So 2027 we have told that 50 years of Srila Prabhupada departure to Korea. So the grand opening, the whole area was 5 acre land, and we have central dome, the central dome is 350 feet high. The Sudarshan Chakra itself is 7 meter, 22 feet. 0 to the center, the Kalash, the crown, it is 12 meter, that's 40 feet high. Outside white marble from Vietnam, stone from Afghanistan, Dholpuri. Then we have blue tiles, ceramic tiles from Nitco. These are from India. And these are the issues of white peacock, the design border, the design pillar. These are all GRC, not marble. Looks like white marble, but not.
White is GRC.
GRC. And we have 8 subdomes Chatras, towers around the whole temple. For each corner, two, so 8 subdomes just for beautification. Devotee can go through one. On the top, they can see the view of all Mayapur in different direction. Not only that, every top of the dome, around 100 to 200 devotees, they can sit, have their own class, katha, kirtan. Each dome.
This one.
Yeah, this yeah. Like 8 classes can go at my side. You know. So like
See,
that.
like Nandamao, there was
Yeah, exactly.
small.
small. These are chhatras. These are the different palace, temple, chhatras. These are the chhatra bolte hain. So now we'll enter from the back side of the temple. Even though it's a huge temple, but still there is no residence of devotee. All the pujari will be staying in the long building. That's why we have a connect to the bridge. The residence of devotee and so now we enter to the back side. The ground floor is because in a flood affected area. So there is not so many activities on the ground floor. But the first floor will be pujari floor. The first floor will be pujari floor. We'll go inside, we'll see the kitchen, native kitchen, making the dress, keeping the dress. No. Flood affected area there, so we don't use as a daily department, but we use for the storeroom, maintenance, and these things.
But this flood is coming by every 10 years.
Yeah.
Once
Yeah.
when it comes, it
Yeah. So that's a that's because and it's good that people are offering people also go up. So nice. Yeah. Okay. So we'll continue on.
प्रेम करके
अमिता का लेकिन पानी का भी पैसा दिया नहीं
ये ऐसा है क्या जिसका पैसा है उसको
फिर हम कह रहे हैं
सबका आया है
बिना पैसे में एंट्री करा नहीं आशा करने नहीं देगा तो
Life is good.
मुंबई
You want to make 500 place. Starting with 60, then 32, then 56.
something an impact
actually going
Because of this weather, we come all the senior devotees came. हो गया
So the pujari will enter this way. We have the outside the pujari head office, and the devotee of the pujari one will be luggage, things, umbrella, if they can bring things. So, but they not allow them was their feet there. Differently,
This is for shoes.
shoes, umbrella, coming outside pujari they can leave the things here. Then there's a few caps you see. Then was their lots of rain here. Lots of rain. Yeah. So then those people will be engaged in the pujari, so they will enter that way. Only those who take your seat, they will enter that way. And who are cooking, so they will come this way. Please come. Altar. The altar is second floor, but there the lift and staircase also. So this is called Utsava Paksala, festival kitchen. So now from here we go inside.
This is like industry. Baking department only fire baking. The way this part, okay?
Yeah. Now they have done more. Is the
There are two kitchen here, we have 4 kitchen. So this is the festival kitchen, like a festival we need many more papers and burgers. So we use this one for the regular kitchen, breakfast, lunch, dinner, that side. And between there's a place for washing the pots. Then we have kitchen for the cake.
This
kitchen
is
for
festival kitchen, this
And
is
the
regular
kitchen.
Boga kitchen.
Same.
And bakery kitchen is.
Bakery is there.
It's only for festival.
Yeah.
What the regular teacher?
This one. It's like the festival needing 1,000 items. We say Chhatpana will make 1,000 So here, like the opposite is 4 rooms. These are called Bhoga Bhandar.
Storage.
Storage.
Sorry, today.
Proper cooking. Multi. Pots. Multi-store pots. This is Madhuram Baksa 1 cake, only bakeries. Yeah, but only for these are only for the bakeries. And this is Madhuram Baksa 2, only morning milk sweet. Milk sweet, rasgulla, rasmalai, jam jam.
Bengali.
Sandesh, kheer.
That is actually continent,
No, all the different facilities. Who decided this many kitchens, this name?
I think so how much?
मुझे आईसीसी ग्रुप में डाल देना वो भी आप दो हाँ आईसीसी ग्रुप में डाल दो ठीक है इसको पूरा पूरा लो
These are paintings. They are all hand paintings by one devotee, Russian devotee called Rasikananda Prabhu. One devotee from otherwise almost all painted by one Russian devotee and his teams. All these paintings will be exhibited in the second floor of Lord Nrsimha temple. So of course we're trying to even. So it will be exhibited.
So Narsingh Leela.
Yeah, all Nrsimha. And these are the demo. See, these are the Panchatattva deities. So they build this. Yes. And these we not dummy. It not. We just made this symbol almost same size because we have to alter. So before putting them, setting them properly, we setting or not. Otherwise, in the last moment, we feel the ladies and the ladies are putting, a big harassment. So that's why we make it a last 2 festivals. We put them in the altar. If anybody see the video.
I went there also.
Yes, so like that. So it is everything very nicely fitting. So you understand this every nicely everything setting. So that's why now also they making, when they making dress also, but they give they also how it is being done. And this hall now is only for the painting, but future this is called this will be used for the making the dress.
अच्छा, this is
वस्त्र निर्माण कार्यालय.
संस्कृत में बोल रहे हैं। ये वास्तु
Nice, wonderful painting.
Prabhu, you finally came after all the trials and tribulations. Can I ask everyone a question here? Can someone tell me the secret name of Lord Nrsingadev in Sri Ram Mayapur?
Pujari Nilayam. So when the Pujari, the main residence Pujari in the second floor of the Lal building, when daytime they come, while they doing puja and things, so then they pray, then in the race, then in the bathroom, so this will be Pujari, separate daytime press room. Yeah, everything. Sure.
This is the government sports room.
Everywhere.
That's why they have the temple inside. Akan first to that's from side. This two building that's south facing. South facing. So they used to work then someone was telling me can't say anything because when they see management come they can change. But I had someone telling me about Sadhu Bhav. Yeah. This is Narasimha Deva Bhusana Nilayam. So this is the jewelry room of the Lord Nrsingadev.
Bhushan.
Bhushan is there. And then this is the lift going direct to the altar of the Lord Nrsingadev. That one small one you see, there's a lift. Direct going to the altar of the Lord Nrsingadev. So Pujari from here. And I think last month, last 25 February 18 for the grand opening of the Legacy Museum. So we go inside and see it.
That time they will not take to the ATM, but this museum or something.
So this is the retreat of Bhajan Kutir.
Yeah, Srila Prabhupada.
Prabhupada and the past Radha Madhav deity was here, so they kept us Radha Madhav because Radha Madhav was past worshipped in the Bhajan Kutir. Just replica. Yeah. I heard that 73 or 72 festival in Hyderabad. Hyderabad festival. So this deity is Hyderabad deity. Why is heavy to them? From that day, they never think about to bring them out. So, हाँ बोलो भाई बजमी कहाँ खड़े हैं भाई ये भैया
This is Bhajan Kutir. So Prabhupada is happy. His both whole hand is folded. For we worship.
If you go from this way, you see all the this is before Eastern activities. The lead of devotee respects. झांसी देखो ना लिखा है सार्वभौम भगवत समाज झांसी अंतियाता चिपली रोड भारती भवन अभी भी है अपने लेने हमने अपने अभी लेना चाहिए इसको
तो लेता नहीं है
बहुत लोग लेंगे
लेता नहीं ना वो
देखा माल भेजा तो बहुत अच्छा देखो
Easy journey to us.
उसे भी लफड़ा है कहीं
हाँ
वो अहमदाबाद का गुजरात से बना है ना सड़क हाँ वही है वही सड़क कमेंट्री है अच्छा हाँ वो प्रभुपाद जी जो
वो शिष्य प्रभुपाद ने ट्रांसलेशन किया
प्रथम द्वितीय स्कंदो
इतना खाली दो है
फर्स्ट और सेकंड कंडो
हाँ
वो हमारे पास है पूरा सेट है
कमेंट्री
अभी अवेलेबल है
53 16th May 953 prospectus letter Bhaktivedanta Swami and these are the first 3 volumes Prabhupada took to USA. This copy is last year one opening that Gorachan Goswami from Vrindavan Radhananda himself he brought and he said if I'll keep in my house who will see but I am to donate to the museum so all the devotees from all over the world you know. See, original Srimad Bhagavatam given to Sri Gorachan Goswami of Srila Prabhupada, Damodar Temple by Srila Prabhupada.
ओ द बहुत दौर आना
हाँ उन्होंने ये लास्ट ईयर दे गिवन टू अस
बहुत अच्छा है
सबके पास है
यस ये श्रीमद् भागवतम बुक कवर मेड फ्रॉम श्रील प्रभुपाद धोती shown by different by Satyam Ramadevi Dasi and at the beginning you can see you know this is the certificate like Bhakti Shastri now getting initiation certificate beginning they used to have initiation certificate
Proper signature.
अच्छा आपने वेडिंग इनिशिएट
yes certified that Mohan Das Prabhu become a brahmachari in this date she got initiation and Prabhupada like
This is proper typewriter.
yeah many things are there night lamp if you see the night lamp how it looks come down here see more many things are with that all
Some articles in
many things
the
are how to say
I think then this small transformer, I think this in this block.
yeah
This small one.
ये डिक्टोफोन डिक्टोफोन
that time harmony was
printing press
very
Delhi.
not Delhi America this Prabhupada sitting with his god brother in Mayapur look all the god brothers sitting and hearing from Prabhupada and this is Brahmananda
backside.
that's it Pakistan preaching
See how many sannyasis with
yeah danda
You count the danda.
look that
very thing
look Gopal Krishna Maharaj
yeah
yes.
White.
how chubby
very happy
Maharaj.
ओए मालकिन सादा कपड़ा
Actually, I saw Maharaj in this also.
आइए welcome
97.
let's come sir also welcome
Maharaj have operation.
Prabhupada Legacy Museum
Translate English.
डांसी का पेपर देख लो
बिल्डिंग में खर्च कर
ये प्रभुपाद जी ऐसे कुछ
Portion of Srila Prabhupada's garden on Los Angeles, donated by Rabindranath Tagore. Oh, awesome.
क्या है?
Devotees of Ram.
maybe Prabhupada is sitting on that.
Here you can see some Prabhupads with handwriting. Handwriting.
No, वही देखा वो उस टाइम में ऐसा डिजाइन था मैं तो अभी देखता हूँ उससे
ये फैशन बार-बार घूम-घूम के आ जाता है वापस.
रोटेशन
हाँ.
25 साल के बाद 20 साल
हाँ, same.
वही पैटर्न वही देखो प्रभुपाद जी पहनते थे. This is only made not
Yeah.
Book on Ayurveda.
Shushruta Samhita.
Ayurvedic. Sushruta,
This is
Ayurveda.
actually Prabhupada always prefers Ayurveda only.
He knew many things to make also.
Yeah. Because Prabhupada was doing it pharmacy.
Both allopathic and
These are
Ayurvedic.
many things they have. You know, see one Gamcha, the last Gamcha Prabhupada.
See, Prabhupada ji, he did Bhuvi Puja.
Yeah.
Many hand fan, suits, the hair, mosquito coils.
And being a down.
Prabhu, mosquito coil.
Oh, mosquito coil.
खुद का यूज करते थे.
हाँ, चाइना में देखो, तो चाइना में लिखा देखो, इंडिया में नहीं होता. Everybody used to bring from the west, you know.
कौन सा मस्किटो है?
Mosquito coil. उसका बक्स पड़ा हुआ है, कंगी, प्रभुपाद जी का. Prabhupada used quilt, then hand fan,
This is
suits, gamcha, sannyas danda. These days given by Rameshwar Prabhu. He was sannyasi. Prabhupada given himself he given the dress. He told, take my dress and wear. I heard one time Prabhupada, even in Mayapur, he gave his own socks, moja, to his disciple. Wear it. They was feeling sad, embarrassment. How we can should we put in the head? No, I want it that you put and put the shoe truck and come in front of me. Then he said, Rameshwar Prabhu telling, you take my use, I am giving you from out of my mercy. But you use it until I am in this world. Once I depart, you keep them as a worship. He told, don't use again.
ये पुत्र का कौन है?
This is ये आपका इसका लॉस एंजल्स का जो गार्डन था ना, लोटस था, वो गार्डन का एक पत्थर पीस रख दिए, किसी ने उठा के ले आया दे दिया. हाँ भाई, साहब प्रभुपाद जी वहाँ बैठे थे भाई, आसन हम आसन में बैठे थे, तो उसका उठा के ले आया. ये देखो गेट, दिस इज द गेट, गेट नंबर 1 मायापुर. इसका प्रभुपाद ऐसी ओपनिंग गेट, and that is the Bhumi Puja.
nice.
This
Prabhupada quarters.
yeah, Prabhupada quarter.
Conch building, lotus building.
Oh, lotus. कौन सा होगा समय में गाएं?
भूमि पूजा भी वही
वो तो जाए इसी लैंड में. ये पीओपी भी गाए, पीओपी भी गा.
रोपात रोपात की का
देर में
अरे वो
ये
मैंने किया था
टीओपी का नहीं दूसरी जगह
हाँ ने यहाँ किया था इन्होंने बाद में
सही बता
क्या कर रहा हूँ?
नहीं,
वही कह रहा हूँ.
हुआ क्या कि वो
उसके लिए तो नहीं बोल
नहीं.
रूपाल ने यहाँ अयोध्या शेष को रखा था फिर डीवीसी ने डिसाइड किया कि दूसरे राज्य में करेंगे फिर वो हुआ नहीं फाइनली
हुआ नहीं क्या बोला?
कोई बता रहा है.
हमें बता रहा था आपको.
हाँ उन्हें की उधर हम लोग.
हाँ. So they tried many times to do. 96 में देखा हूँ, हाँ भूमि पूजा किए,
बारिश है, बहुत बारिश है यार, बहुत बारिश
You
है।
see how they not Krishna 96 में हम लोग वहाँ टेंट बनाए थे, पूजा करे थे, इससे आंधी तो बनाया सब जगह, सब उड़े वहाँ से।
बहुत बारिश हुआ, बहुत भयंकर। हाँ,
ये सब मैंने वही जगह समय और आखिर में
यही जगह था, ये बात
ये जगह का नहीं, क्योंकि उस समय में कोई पुष्कर की जगह वो था ही नहीं कुछ। हाँ 72 में भूमि पूजा था, 72 में केवल 3 एकड़ जमीन था, भजन कुटीर से लेकर यहाँ तक, भजन कुटीर से लेकर
इधर देखो, अरे इधर देखो क्या
पास खेती कर रहे अभी तुम्हारे चलते ना अभी चल रहा है। Some photos of different Mayapur paintings, photos, certificates. नहीं है पीछे। Second अमेरिका का second avenue।
Move to Second Avenue from Bhutan to Kirtan 70.
These are the Prabhupada traveling all over the world. Somewhere he is landing. When I see this, look this. It looks like it's army. Fighting it. अभी तो बहुत मॉडिफाई हो गया ना, पहले कैसा था? उस समय में ये देखो सिंधिया कंपनी का टिकट है ना देखो ये जल्दी में जो गए थे ना वो मार्किन भागवत भजन बंगाली में लिखे थे भाई आपने देखा आज में लिखे थे भजन अभी इन्हें भी ये उतनी है
task complete.
भाई इधर जाएंगे
आप एकदम से शॉक क्यों हो गए? आप एकदम
सब ऐसे बना
Public is not allowed here. Okay, please come.
ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋಣ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆದ ಮಾದಂ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಿಶನ್ உங்களுக்கு ஒயிட் அண்ட் ஒயிட் தான் ஒயிட் மெட்ராஸ் மாதிரி
Actually, the temple name is Mayapur Mandir. The same time it is like in Mumbai, Haryana, Pakistan, Mandir is also glory of India.
Glory of India, glory of Maharashtra.
Glory of Maharashtra. If you write that, it's
glory of world
glory of world. Temple world is
This is Pujari Conference Hall. Conference Hall of the Pujari department. Behind it another huge hall. You've seen the ILS now. Huge hall that is called Festival Hall. Yeah, next one. Yeah. But double size. I think triple size is it. So that will be yeah. Festival. Festival. It's a multi-purpose hall. Like festival time they can make flower dress, this, that. Tayari hoti festival ki so then we use for that. And beyond that there is another hall on the front side. That will be book stall, prasadam stall, gift stall. And behind this hall, there's two halls. One, the first part will be nursing the dress keeping, and beyond that, there will be Radha Madhav, Ashaki, Panchadutta keeping the dresses. Making the dress will be there, keeping the dress will be here. And behind that is all the Pujari, Parpanyas.
Now they're making here dresses for
Yeah.
Ramadan.
Yeah.
Not in that.
there
No,
must
no,
be
no.
some there must be some trolley arrangements to bring because
Yeah.
it's a huge size.
No, once they make, they keep it behind this, and there is direct lift. They can just take the dress, go to the lift, and go to the up.
Because weight will be more.
Yeah, that's all. The lift is there.
Full size.
We have staircases, also have lift. So we go to front leg.
सब कुछ छोटा छोटा ही पड़ेगा।
कौन में मंदिर कितना ही बड़ा बना छोटा ही बड़ा।
उस दिन जब हमारे नरसिंह भगवान का वो कर रहे थे ना, तो ये टेम्पल बहुत छोटा कर रहे थे। लोग आएंगे नहीं
कितना ही बड़ा बना लो, मत्स्य अवतार की तरह। एग्जैक्टली लाइक मत्स्य अवतार की काम नहीं करेगा। एक बार भी डालो वो जलाते हैं छोटा पड़े। ऐसे ही हमारा
100 साल के बाद अगर हमारे
कई मत्स्य अवतार। ठीक है।
This is the only hall accessible to the public. So this is like a spiritual hall where the devotee can easily accept the books, prasadam, packet prasadam. It's not like we have many stalls, small.
Here we have
So this is
spiritual hall.
Spiritual hall. Like you know, Pune they are now, especially they are Pune. Book stall, prasadam stall. Babu, one thing, Babu. Stand camera for you. Stand here. Very nice. Yeah. The best place. फोटो लेना चाहते हैं सीरियस साहब भी चलेगा पीछे आ जाओ आ जाओ आइए अरे भैया सुदोष आगे आ जाओ ऊंचा दिखेगा नहीं दिखेगा इधर को ऊपर आ जाओ भाई
आगे बुला लिया
हम क्या करेंगे फोटो खींचना ICC वाला वो आगे लगाएंगे
अब दिख रहा है कि नहीं
फिर हटा देंगे
मानपुर नहीं देखता हूँ बहुत पीछे रहता हूँ मैं नहीं दिखेगा हाँ ऊंचे से तो है वो
अरे ये आगे बढ़ाना साउथ में पुराना कैमरा है
पूरा लोडिंग ये सब से
रील बढ़ाना है पता है क्लिक करते बटन दबाने वाला होता है
और नॉर्थ ईस्ट
अरे फोन दे दो फोन दे दिया
हरे कृष्णा दिस इज द टेंपल Yes, many devotees ask. One time one devotee came from Chennai, he asked me, Prabhu, this is south, which face? I said, this is south. It is not good. According to Vastu is not good. Then I asked him, why in South India, the biggest temple in the world, Ranganath Srirangam, why south faces? He said, there is Vibhishan. I told, here is Bhaktivinoda Thakur. I didn't any prepare this from my mind. I said Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Because Bhaktivinoda Thakur seen the temple, right? He's seen the backside of the temple or what? It must be front side, right? So ultimately, whatever the Acharya desired that happened. Right? And we have both sides and one way they'll enter, another way the people publicly go out. From here, 700 meters on the front. See the temple they made. If they would make the roadside, the road is here. If this side, then Prabhupada built a building, Lotus built one track. This side, all hills, Gada Bhavan, all this is big and not much. Only this side is the open. So, practical and it also. That's it. I can say that. Prediction. Prabhu, this is Jai and Vijay. That's why it was covered with two deities, Jai and Vijay. The deities are heavy because it's dust. So that's why they cover it. And Prabhupada has squared the leaf. So they see the leaf from there. Very well done. Yeah, Jai Vijay. And then this. Go down. Western side, Orly,
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
So you can go inside. Please come. Otherwise, you are not allowed to go.
Amrish Prabhu keeps donating something or the other to cover the stuff.
Right. You make nowadays the media is very responsible. The whole floor will be the screen floor, wall will be screen floor, and the roof will be also screen. And then whatever you want to show, they will feel that we are going first floor, second floor, third floor, total roof. They also feel one floor.
See, actually, some devotee was telling they will put that chandelier. Beginning, the plan is
blue marble है
from the chandelier. बोला का नाम नहीं.
ये marble है
So like that. That is the Hare Krishna.
इसमें golden strip लगेगा golden strip लगेगा
Idea, funda of the chandelier.
marble है ये blue वाला
बोला का chart. Now our sister has बोला. That's supposed to be
बहुत काम बा
the chandelier. Yeah, that's supposed to be. But it will be happen. Still, I
बहुत काम बाकी
plus one some other devotee. There's a team of devotee. They're working on that. And still they're thinking.
ऊपर का हुआ है बस थोड़ा सा नीचे तक आने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा है ना
सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है नंबर वन दैट डोंट हैव बिगेस्ट लैम्प
Yeah.
but the lightest pillar is having a no stability.
No. So what
I'm telling you, this is issue came when we made a door. I went up to the top also when it was casting. So then from Bombay, Gauranga Prabhu and myself, I have that RCC concern. So he came and he gave the whole geographical conditions. He gave the certificate.
No.
They will hang such a big.
That is chandelier is a
That is
fiberglass.
see,
It's fiberglass.
that
Like.
what you are talking about, then they have to make some arrangements which is division of the whole columns and then they can. Because see, even our small temple like mirror, we have put the chandelier of 750 kg. 750 means almost 1.7. Yes. So we have made such arrangements with the fabrication in between beams.
Yeah. So like that. So they had something like that. Then what this?
Here they make in 10 tons of cement.
Now we can see.
And that will be fiberglass. It's not like from heavy iron.
That is not called, that is
Light material. You understand?
but the second thing, the temple.
Yeah, it looks small. But it's direction. If you want to open that, you will go. And recognize it. Like this. One temple.
अभी जो
The central dome and
हॉल है
eastern side
पंचतत्व
of
हॉल और
the dome will be combined. 10,000 devotee can
50%
means will be one temple. So see Prabhu, cutting in Eastern Prabhu, whatever wherever they made temple,
बड़ा हॉल तो है
at one point it always becomes small. The temple size is same, but devotee, the number of devotee increase.
डबल है और ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं
Like Matsyavatara.
उन दोनों हॉलों का डबल है ये।
Increase in the and have to believe in the ocean.
और उसके बाद में मिला के बोल रहे हैं 10,000
ना हाँ वो इसलिए बोल रहे हर जगह लगा लो वो तो
At Vrindavan temple, morning prayer, line, so like that will be like.
मिला के होता है 2-3
Darshan go out, finish, darshan only. They don't need to do bhajan kirtan.
उसमें भी इतने पिंड
Devotee will do bhajan kirtan, katha and things. So still 10,000, at one time 10,000 devotee can accommodate.
उन्होंने हवा के लिए इसलिए लगाया है।
Prabhupada Vasasan, Prabhupada Darshan, this is the Prabhupada Darshan.
ये तो एक महीने का काम है एक से डेढ़ महीने
कैसे करेंगे
Bell was ringing every 1 hour. Where is that bell here? Sound of
The first altar, Prabhu, the first altar go for the Guru Parampara, Acharyas and 6 Goswamis. All together with 15 deities, the first altar. So all Acharya Upasana will be here. The center will be Panchatattva and the third altar will be Radha Madhava. First floor will be
working on the altar routine.
goes for the exhibition. So people will go round and round and round. This is the concept of Bhakti.
Altar may be ready.
If you still go to the Patna, Ramlila Maidan, one road is going called Exhibition Road. You know why it happened next? Bhakti Siddhanta Sathak Maharaj, when they had Ramlila Maidan Dasahara festival, Bhakti Siddhanta Sathak Maharaj, Chandra, in Patna and some different places. He used to make a whole road, all the costume of Lord Gauranga, Krishnas, Rama, people can just come and see all the
Lot of working.
and the main chandelier. They are the chandelier hanging in the top will be Vrindavan, then Vaikuntha Loka, so that's the Brahma is coming down, 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 down. And one most important thing I'd like to say is here you see, right. Bell is up there. Automatic. Digital one.
ये डिजिटल बेल बन गई डिजिटल बेल अलग अलग जगह में लगाया बैकग्राउंड में भी आवाज आता है डिजिटल है मेरे को तो इसके ऊपर चढ़ के बजा रहा है घंटा
Prabhu ji, actually this bell you can cook one. Be very careful.
You can see the Prabhu that's standing there. You can see the scale. So everything, watch it in the internet. Once you come here, you actually get to understand the scale. So here, the diamond panel, the copper ceiling is not fully done. So if I clap here, you can hear the echo. So once the copper ceiling is installed with the acoustic panel, this won't have any echo. See how huge the altar room is. It kind of looks small. I think it's at the base level, it's to the waist. That's good. But if you bring it over here,
Prabhu, next year. Prabhu, see. You can doubt it. We don't doubt it. We don't doubt it.
ये पता और छोटा क्यों लग रहा है क्योंकि ये दो पड़ा है ना तो इसलिए वो नीचे छोटा है।
अगर ये जो है छोटा होता
ये
तो
जो सीलिंग नीचे है वो वाला अभी जो है वो ऑर्डर बड़ा ना ये और छोटा
imperfect
relative to यहाँ पे ज्वाइंट है तो यहाँ पे ना दो हॉल का ज्वाइंट है
Now we are going to Vaikunta. Yeah, now Golaka, now Vaikunta.
ये अलग है कहाँ बोलिए ब्लैक सब बनाया गया This is ready.
So this is the Lord Nrsimhadev Bhagavan Ki. Sri Prahlad Narasimha, Lord Lakshmi Narasimha. So this is the altar behind the Sudarshan Chakra. This is the altar that two sides and two Deepastambha. You see that two क्या कहते हैं दीपस्तंभ रहेगा दो साइड में
ये दीप चल रहा है दीप जलेंगे इसमें दीप
In this altar there will be no light. Only lamp, like South Indian temple. Even till now, Saturday, Sunday, you see only Deepada Prajulan in main
The
temple.
light will be there, but
It's not huge.
the light will be
Always.
no, but the light is there.
No, they put like this now. They have fitted already. Yes. Outside it is not inside.
I embrace
No, but for
pillar.
emergency.
Some gold. Follow me.
तो ये कैसे
ओए सुमत निकालना
So this is this granite from South India, and this is green marble from Brazil, and the brown marble from Spain. Like that. In the first floor, we have seen this all paintings of Lord Krishna. In the first, all the wall will be kept this all paintings or exhibition or display. And the second floor is 8 pillars, the green pillars. So some statues are there. Shiva, Brahma, Indra, Manu Maharaj, Garuda, Garuda. They are holding on to each gate for one round, 16 rounds, and you enter the So like that, we have almost seen Nrsimha temple is almost everything ready, right? Only our focus now to come to the उसमें जो फेस्टिवल होगा अभी देखो बहुत लोग मनाते हैं ना, जैसे इसे लोग मनाते हैं कहीं मंदिर को भेज नहीं सकते वहाँ तीन स्टेज होता है है ना। अरे किसी भक्त ने कहा भाई इस कल का 50 साल हुआ है, वो भजन कुटी अभी छोटा सा 50 साल में ये बना, 100-200 साल में लोग बोलेंगे ये भजन कुटी रखो दूसरे हम जो लाखों भक्त होंगे तो क्या कहेंगे। Exactly. Everywhere.
We have 1,600 outposts, temple branches.
People have come so much after the Corona.
Everyone in the temple.
No. This is only Darshana.
Temple hall is only for Bhagavatam class
And
Sunday of this type of program. This is the temple hall.
everywhere.
Actually, 7 days we have only 1 day rest. Other days we and the festival is there, then only we make our temple according to the crowd. We have the monthly expenditure of this building going to more than 5 crores. Very Eastern Kailash temple is 1 lakh square feet. Expenditure of 1 crore rupees. Our front rolling 50 crore rupees. 50 lakh rupees. And here, this is more than 5 lakh square feet. लाख हमारा 10 से 12 चलो बेट वाले पैनल अगर वो आए बेट वाला शुरू हो गया तो फिर स्पेस भी खराब तो बहुत सारे का आपको पैनल लगा उसको बनाने से और दुनिया आएगी दर्शन करेगी इसे सारा जो फाइबर और बाहर से उससे जबरदस्त ब्यूटी देनी पड़ेगी छुपा रखा है इससे ज़्यादा ब्यूटी वहाँ देनी पड़ेगी
चले सब लोग चलिए चलो you can go go back finish over don't go up really okay let's continue more
नर्सिंग होम में परिक्रमा है
है ना
हाँ है
चलो परिक्रमा मार्ग है ये जो पीछे देख रहे हैं बहुत बड़ा परिक्रमा मार्ग बहुत सुंदर है Yeah, and this Muslim altar, this altar statue they made, mostly the whole temple wherever you stand. There are some obstacles in the pillars, otherwise any corner of the temple hall, you can take darshan. You know, this is very good thing. Present temple, until you don't go to the center, you can see Lakshmi. But here, even Prabhupada, you can stop and can see also. Very nice.
यहाँ से निकल जाओ सुनो जो परिक्रमा कर रहे गोल्ड नहीं है गोल्ड नहीं है गोल्ड है अरे नहीं भाई गोल्ड है
ठीक है कभी आपका झांसी आना हो तो ये जो हम लोगों ने किया ना पूरा नाम लिखेगा ये भगवान के चरण में ट्रिक पैक होगा
इसको पैक कर दे
हाँ आगे
इसके अलावा अगर किसी को लगे जीवन से थक गया हार गया ऐसा भाई वो ये एक्स्ट्रा पिलर एक्स्ट्रा आगे चला दो एक्चुअली ये पिलर भी चाहिए ताकि हम दिखा दें बता सकें कि बोला कि कहां पर तेरा भगवान वो उधर आने वाले पे है वो उधर से भगवान बहुत सारे पिलर थे तो उसमें एक
central AC, sound, light,
इधर से गाने बाबू
लेकिन बाहर निकलने का इनको
ये बाहर जाएगा ये रास्ता है जी
बोला नहीं ऐसे तूने कराई थी
बहुत अच्छा रास्ता है
ये रास्ता है लेकिन वो
इसको क्यों भेज रहे हो फोटो के साथ?
अरे हे हम
अरे ले लो कार्ड
चलो प्रभु जी का अच्छा है कि थोड़ा यज्ञ सारा
प्रभु जी थोड़ा सा साइड में
नहीं है चलो दिखा देते हैं
इनको कार्ड तो दे दो ये जान
जगह सर अभी ना
आपके भी जरा खोलने के लिए बात दिखाएंगे
आपके लिए अरे इसके बिना नहीं जा पाऊंगा मैं बता नीचे में चला जाए
गोल्ड का फोटो
चोरी नहीं करना कब जाएंगे आप कहाँ जाएंगे पुलिस है
डिज़ाइन बुला लिया, सब कुछ कर लिया, तो हमने जैसे कि अगर हम लेटर नहीं लगाएंगे तो डेढ़ होता है आजकल लोगों को बड़ा दिक्कत हो सकता है डिज़ाइन लिया है, कर लिया हमने, उससे बोला थोड़े भी कॉर्नर से निकालेंगे पता नहीं चलेगा, इनके बाद में जगह हम वीडियो खराब हो जाएगी, कभी रहने तो हमारा 6 में 6 मिनट बाद में
जाने के लिए एक साथ में 50 लोग लाइन खड़ा हो जाएगा ना, भीड़ आएगी
इसको ना सेंटर में डाल देगा।
मंदिर चढ़ जाता है
सब इसी को डालो हाँ
ठीक ठीक
फेस्टिवल की तैयारी कर रहे हैं।
मैंने तो सुना है कि इसके बाद भी कुछ सालों बाद 50-100 साल बाद दूसरा अद्भुत मंदिर बनेगा। ये वाला तो अभी का अद्भुत है, मैं बोला ना अद्भुत बनेगा।
हम लोग की हालत है ये लोग फटाफट
ठीक है, अच्छा ये क्या चल रहा है? उत्सव उत्सव ही उत्सव है यार।
अमेरिकन सरकार देश आपण आपका चेला अब वो जैसे क्या वो बोला होगा या
उसका पिताजी बड़ा लोग जानता है।
நைட்டு போய் இங்கே போய் சாப்பிடலாம் கோவிந்தா பிஸ்ஸா பாஸ்தா எல்லாமே
Before that devotee was from Chennai, he was president for the